The ongoing 2022 Beijing Olympic Winter Games have ignited Chinese students' great enthusiasm for winter sports. Students from a primary school in Changzhou City, North China's Hebei province, have joined various winter sport activities during their winter vacation.
成立了冰壶队，多种形式让学生了解冬奥知识和冰雪运动项目。
我们在冰壶、轮滑等冰雪运动中融入音乐、热舞等艺术元素和面塑、书法等非遗文化和优秀传统文化因素，大大丰富了冰雪运动的内涵。
我特别喜欢冰墩墩和雪融融，我一定在老师的指导下努力训练，在假期中变得更快更强。